Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And how are you today, guys? And I hope you'll be okay. And I'm so excited for today's video, guys. This is my friend Divi's request. So, friend, your request is my command. Actually, I just woke up earlier to start this video, to start our day. So, this video, guys, is I will show you the difference in our things and our lifestyle here compared to the other country. So, let's go. Start. Then first is this is our bed. This is our bed in the evening, and also the living room in the morning. So this is it. And if you see it, it's called kulambo or a mosquito net. This is what we use to prevent mosquito from biting us. So, good morning. Good morning, Bibi. Say hi to the video. Say hi. Good morning. And actually, guys, and then our bed is just a mat, not foam. Yeah. See it? This one. They double. My son is still sleeping, guys. So, because it's earlier pa. So, hindi tayo magsaba-saba ng malakas. Kasi natutulog pa si Kuya. My baby is wake up na. Hi! Kiss mama, kiss. Kiss to mama, kiss. One more, one more. One more. And this is the only we use as a fan. But today is nothing because it's broken. But it's okay, even though there is no fan in the evening. It's cold na. But in the morning, it's hot, so we'll just hang out outside because it's windy. So, this is it, guys. It's broken. Hindi na to gagana, guys. Yesterday, nasira siya. So, kagabi, hindi na kami naggamit ng ceiling fan. So, but it's okay. No need to ceiling fan in the evening because it's cold na. Because of the windy outside. So, but in the morning, I just hung out in the outside because it's windy. So, here inside it's so hot. So, that's why. And then, our window is just like this. Only blocked by the bamboo and the curtain. In the morning, the curtain was like this. Itabi lang. So, the light can be enter. So, this one, guys. Ganyan lang. Tapos, meron din sa kabila. Wait lang. And also this side. We have a window. Ganon lang. Simpleng buhay. Aming silid. Ay, sorry for the miss. Ayan, ganito lang kasimple, guys. There's no appliances, no TV, no refrigerator, no other. Ganyan lang, ganito lang yung buhay namin. And let's proceed to the outside. Say, go. And let's proceed to this is my kitchen, guys. Look at that. This is my kitchen. This is temporary. Just to do because we have other pwesto or meron kaming ibang pwesto na ipapagawa namin ng kitchen. For kitchen case have not been done because there is no budget for those. Wala pa kasi kaming pera, guys, para ipagawa yung kusina namin. So this is a temporary. Actually ito yung namin. Receiving visitor area. So ginawa lang namin ng kusina, double. Receiving area to kusina. And these are the ones we used to cook. This is the pot. It's normal to darken color, guys, because of the smoke of the wood came. Because wood is what we use for fire, for cooking. So kaya ganyan yung kulay ng kaldero namin. Ayan siya, guys. Tapos dyan sa ilalim, dyan nakalagay yung mga pans at yung mga wood namin na para ipanggatong. Ayan. Nagsasaing pala ako ng guys. We're cooking lugaw. It's also our kitchen. I also put our other things, guys, like this. Because there is no other places to put them. So, dyan lang muna na kanilagay. So, next time, when I have a money, I will buy yung big dish rack for my kitchen utensils. For now, just a patient. Let's check. Ano lang to, yung lugaw for our breakfast. Kasi wala kasi kaming ulam. Kaya yan lang. Maglugaw muna. And join me to wash the dishes outside, guys, because we don't have a sink yet. So go. Wait lang na, wait lang. Saman! Huh? Go inside. No. ka na. Inside. Slowly, slowly. No, no, it's dirty, not dirty. Oh, mag-shoes. No, no, ha? Don't touch. Don't touch. No, 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 no. No, no. Sir! Dali, get inside na. Kaon na ka? Dali. Lugaw lang ha.
Big fish ba?
Wala, big fish. Ano, rot na. Bye na lang si Papa. Ma. Uy, bugawa ang chicken. Unya na lang sa nabal mo, baita. Chicken. Aw, kana to ihawon? Luoy. Dakpan ni KGM.
Oh, chile. Ay, depan.
This is our breakfast today, guys. Lugaw. And then put a bit of salt to test. Ang anak. Hot pa ha. Uy pa ha. Narain mo na. Uy pa. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.